Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Please open your book.
Please open your book.
Come here now.
Come here now.
I am ready today.
I am ready today.
Please hold my hand.
Please hold my hand.
Listen to this story.
Listen to this story.
Close the door slowly.
Close the door slowly.
Say it after me.
Say it after me.
Speak without fear.
Speak without fear.
Answer this question.
Answer this question.
Welcome to the class.
Welcome to the class.
Read it loudly.
Read it loudly.
I am a student.
I am a student.
Please ask for help.
Please ask for help.
Take a slow breath.
Take a slow breath.
I am in the classroom.
I am in the classroom.
Try it again.
Try it again.
Please stay quiet.
Please stay quiet.
Please wash your hands.
Please wash your hands.
Please finish your lunch.
Please finish your lunch.
Clean the table.
Clean the table.
Listen to your elders.
Listen to your elders.
Be nice to everyone.
Be nice to everyone.
Please tell the truth.
Please tell the truth.
Keep your room tidy.
Keep your room tidy.
Do not run inside.
Do not run inside.
Do not speak loudly.
Do not speak loudly.
Please do not touch it.
Please do not touch it.
I am a little tired.
I am a little tired.
I am finishing my homework.
I am finishing my homework.
That looks very nice.
That looks very nice.
It is a bright day.
It is a bright day.
Your answer is good.
Your answer is good.
It is very windy.
It is very windy.
This day is special.
This day is special.
I am helping my brother.
I am helping my brother.
She is very kind.
She is very kind.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
We are close friends.
We are close friends.
They are at the park.
They are at the park.
I really like this place.
I really like this place.
I am drawing a picture.
I am drawing a picture.
I like your laugh.
I like your laugh.
I will do it again.
I will do it again.
I am playing with my friends.
I am playing with my friends.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming.
I am helping my mother.
I am helping my mother.
Write it once more.
Write it once more.
Follow my instructions.
Follow my instructions.
I am feeling happy.
I am feeling happy.
I smile every day.
I smile every day.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
My mother is washing the dishes.
My mother is washing the dishes.
The bus is coming.
The bus is coming.
The baby is sleeping.
The baby is sleeping.
We go to school together.
We go to school together. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to a channel.